Have you ever imagined what it would feel like to wake up without financial stress? To live life on your terms? To know that you've built wealth that not only supports your lifestyle but also leaves a legacy? Becoming a millionaire isn't a fantasy, it's a formula. And today I'm going to walk you through that exact formula because the truth is simple. Millionaires are made, not born. Every journey to wealth begins in the mind. You must believe that becoming a millionaire is not just possible, it's inevitable with the right actions. Get rid of limiting beliefs like money is evil or rich people are just lucky. Wealth is not evil, it's a tool, it's freedom, it's opportunity. Tell yourself daily, I deserve wealth, I will create wealth. I am becoming a millionaire. Because what you believe, you build. Before you can make $1 million, you must become someone worth $1 million. That means building skills, reading books, learning from mentors, taking courses, expanding your knowledge. The world pays you for the value you bring, so become irresistibly valuable. Warren Buffett said it best, the best investment you can make is in yourself. So read more, learn faster, grow constantly, because your future wealth depends on it. This is not about deprivation. It's about delayed gratification. Millionaires don't spend every dollar they earn. They save, they invest, they multiply. Track your income, cut unnecessary expenses, avoid lifestyle inflation. Every dollar you save today becomes a soldier for your financial army tomorrow. Remember, sacrifice for a few years so you can live the rest of your life in freedom. One income stream is too close to none. Millionaires don't depend on a single paycheck. Start a side hustle, sell digital products, start a service-based business, invest in dividend stocks, learn affiliate marketing, build income streams that grow whether you work or not. The goal is simple, make money while you sleep. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen intentionally. Set clear financial goals, break them into steps, stay consistent, don't chase get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, build a strong foundation brick by brick. Millionaires don't play the short game. They're patient, strategic, focused. Be the same. Don't just save. Invest. Put your money into appreciating assets, real estate, index funds, businesses, royalties. Learn the power of compound interest. Understand risk. Master your financial literacy. The wealthy don't work harder. They work smarter. And their money never sleeps. Start early. Be consistent. Watch it grow. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you want to be wealthy, hang around those who are, join communities, find mentors, eliminate negative energy. Millionaires protect their mindset like gold. So should you. Choose your circle carefully, because they will either stretch your vision or shrink it. Becoming a millionaire isn't about greed, it's about freedom. It's about having choices, creating impact, living fully. It's about becoming the person you were meant to be. You don't need to be born rich. You just need to start. So here's your call to action. Start today. Dream bigger, work smarter, stay hungry, and never quit. Because the only thing standing between you and your millionaire life is you. If this inspired you, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it. And in the comments, tell me, what's the first millionaire move you're going to make today? This is your time. Let's build wealth together.